everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're grilling up steaks caveman style with some veggies on the birch barrel. First thing that we want to do is light up the birch barrel, and we want to use a lump charcoal that burns really hot and has little ash, and we use Binchotan Charcoal from Jealous Devil. We're going to place the charcoal in a chimney starter, and then we use a couple of fire starter to light it up. The Binchotan Charcoal takes a little bit longer to heat up, so expect it to take about 20 to 30 minutes before all the charcoal is lit. When the charcoal on top of the chimney starters are turning white, it's time to dump the charcoal in the birch barrel charcoal basket. You might want to move some charcoal around so you have an even layer. The charcoal in the birch barrel is up to temperature, so now it's time to throw on the steaks. So for the caveman steaks or dirty steaks or Eisenhower steaks, we're gonna use two beautiful ribeye steaks. And we wanna trim off a little bit of the excess fat. Then we're just gonna season it richly with some flaky sea salt. Any other seasoning will burn when you cook caveman style, and it will make the steak taste bitter. Then we're gonna add the two ribeye steaks, and we're gonna grill them on the charcoal until they have a good char. This will take about 3 minutes. And then we'll want to flip them over and grill them until they only reach an inner temperature of about 115 or 120 degrees. Because of the intense heat of the Binchotan charcoal, when the steaks are resting, the inner temperature will easily increase with 15 to 20 degrees. When the steaks are ready, remove them and then let them rest for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the steaks to rest, it's now time to grill all the veggies. And you can use whatever veggies you want. We're gonna use corn, leeks, green onions, yellow onion, bell peppers, and Anaheim peppers. We're gonna trim them if needed, and then we wanna throw all this on the grill. Now we need to grill them and flip them over until they're grilled through and nicely charred. When they're charred, we want to remove them and cut them into slices. Then we're going to drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil and season with our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Then we're going to mix the charred veggies thoroughly. The steak's been resting, so now we want to slice it into nice thin slices. Then we want to pour the veggies on top of a cutting board and then cover with the steak slices. Last but not least, we're gonna season with a little bit more of flaky sea salt. Then these caveman steaks and veggies are ready to serve. And that is how I make my caveman steak and veggies on the birch barrel. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And it looks and smells amazing, so here we go. Oh man, it is so good, so rustic. I love these charred flavor. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.